In today's video, we will discuss how to apply national insurance number. This is the complete guide about it. So to apply national insurance number, you always apply online and you need to prove your identity. And the link is gov.uk apply national insurance number / how to apply. When you will click that link, you will come to this page. On this page, you will have apply for national insurance number. You will go down and you will click how to apply. You will click on how to apply. After that, there is the option for how to apply. You will go down, scroll down, and you will click apply. When you will click apply, you will come to this page where it will ask you, have you applied for national insurance number before? You will click no, and then you will continue. And then after that, you will come to this page. Are you working or looking for work in the UK? You will click, you will have three options. Yes, I am working. Yes, I am looking for a work, or no, I'm not working. So we'll select the second one. Yes, I am looking for work. Okay. In that, after that, you will get the option. What is your full name? You will put all your details and you will submit the application. Now let's discuss what documents you need. If you have any of the following documents, get them ready before you start. So you need your passport from any country. You need a biometric residence card. You need your identity card if you are from EU country, Norway, Switzerland. You might need to enter information from one or more of these documents. You can still apply if you don't have any of these documents, but you may need to attend an appointment. Normally, you will go to the Job Center Plus and you will do the appointment over there. Now, let's discuss who can apply for NI number. You can apply for NI number if you live in the UK, you have right to work in the UK, you are working or looking for work, or have an offer to start work. You can start work before you receive NI number. Many applicants do get confused that they don't have NI number. Can they still work? Yes, you are legally allowed to work in the UK if you don't have NI number, as long as you have right to work in the UK. So for example, if you are a student, you have 10 hours, you are allowed to work 10 hours, you can work 10 hours if you don't have NI number. But as soon you will apply, you will get the letter as well. So that will be all sorted. If you already have an NI number, you do not need to apply for a new one. So some people leave the UK for like they're staying in Dubai for 10-15 years. They come back to UK and then they think that what to do next. Do they need to apply again? No, they don't need to apply. They just need to phone the NI office and they will get the NI number. And later on this video, I'll discuss how to contact the National Insurance Office. If you are UK residents age 19 or under, in that case, you normally be sent an NI number letter 3 months before your 16th birthday. And if you live in the UK or your parents have claimed child benefit, you will definitely get that letter. If you have a biometric residence permit card, that's what normally happens when the students come from outside the UK. In that case, you will have the NI number at the back of your card, but if you don't have NI number, in that case, you must apply for one if you plan to work. You can apply one like I have showed you, just click on how to apply and then click apply and then you will apply. And if you have applied your NI number, you will get it in 4 weeks. But if you don't get in 4 weeks, in that case, you always phone the number which I'll provide you. You will also provide, if you, for example, your details change, your address change, you will phone them. Okay. Now let's discuss what is national insurance number. You pay national insurance contribution to qualify for certain benefits and the state pension. You need a national insurance number before you can start applying NI contribution. So we'll discuss NI contribution later on in this video. Now let's discuss who pays NI. You pay mandatory national insurance if you are 16 or over and either an employee earning £242 per week from one job, or you are self-employed making profit over £12,570 a year. You do not pay NI but still qualify for certain benefits and the state pension if you are either an employee earning between £123 and £242 a week, or a self-employed and your profit are between 6,725 and 12,570 a year. You pay NI. Okay, now let's discuss the classes of NI. Many people do get confused. What do we mean by NI classes? So you have 4 classes: class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Class 1 is divided in class 1A and 1B. Class 1 is for the employees under the state pension age earning £242 a week. they will automatically deduct it from your employer. Your employer do that, which is very common with all of us. Class 1A, Class 1B, employers pay these directly. Okay. Class 2, self-employed people, earning profit of 12,570. Class 3 is voluntary contribution. So we'll discuss voluntary contribution later on. But what is voluntary contribution? So for example, you're working for 5 years, and then sixth year you got sick and you were not working. So that year there is a gap. In to fulfill that gap, you will pay voluntary contribution. You need to have 10 years of NI payment to claim any state benefit. So that's why you need to pay minimum 10 years of NI. Class 4, we have already discussed self-employed people earning profit 12,570 or more. When you stop paying NI, you are employed, you will stop paying NI class 1 insurance when you reach the state pension age. On my YouTube channel, you can always find a video how to apply state pension age, state pension benefit. In that, I have discussed everything about the state pension. If you are self-employed, you stop paying class 2 national insurance when you reach state pension age, class 4 when you from the 6th of April after you reach state pension age. So for example, you reach in February, and from 6th April after that tax year, you will stop paying. Okay, now let's discuss the how much you pay. Many applicants do get confused. The more you earn, the more you have to pay NI. No, that's not the case. If you earning between 2,242 pounds and 967 pounds in 1 month, for example, you are earning 148 up to 4,189 pounds, you will only pay 12%. But as soon as you will earn over 4,189 pound a month, you will pay only 2%. Okay. So that's how the NI gets calculated. If you are self-employed, in that case, you pay class 2 and class 4 NI depending on profit. Okay. Which you will find out from your self-assessment. If your profits are between 6,725 and 12,570 a year, your contributions are treated as having been paid to protect your national insurance record. You may be able to pay voluntary contribution to avoid caps. If you have profit less than 6,725 pounds or have a specific job, you do not pay class 2 national insurance through self-assessment. Okay? Get help with your application. You can always phone NI office to know how to apply or if you have any confusion. The phone number is 0800 141 2079, and that's a national NI number. It's valid for England, Scotland, and Wales. It's the same number. You can also ask them to send you a form as well. Or if you have lost your NI number, you can phone them and ask them. And if you have any questions regarding the NI or any other benefits, you can always check on my YouTube channel, UK Knowledge Group. I have every video regarding the benefits. If you have any question which you wanted to ask personally, you can always send me an email, which is you can find below. And also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And my channel name is UK Knowledge Group.